Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or an aerial content creator, these drones offer excellent image quality, long flight times, and powerful GPS features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. V11MINI 4K Drone. The V11MINI drone offers 4K video, 8K photos, a 3-axis gimbal, and weighs under 249 grams. It features 20,000 feet FPV transmission, vertical shooting, GPS positioning, and up to 96 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. This drone delivers impressive stability and video quality for its size. The 3-axis gimbal provides smooth footage, and the extended flight time makes it great for long shoots. The lightweight design avoids most registration requirements. Pros: lightweight and under 249 grams. Smooth gimbal-stabilized 4K video. Excellent FPV range. Long 96-minute total flight time. Vertical shooting mode. Cons: wind resistance is moderate due to lightweight build. App interface can feel basic. Low light performance is limited. Number 2. Bwine F7MINI 4K Drone. The Bwine F7MINI captures 4K video and 8K photos with a 3-axis gimbal and EIS stabilization. It has a 249-gram lightweight frame, offers 96 minutes of flight time, and supports over 6 kilometers of transmission range. It also includes smart GPS features like return to home, follow mode, waypoint flight, and orbit fly. This drone is ideal for beginners and hobbyists thanks to its advanced GPS safety features. The image quality is crisp, and the intelligent modes help users capture smooth, cinematic footage without much effort. Pros: excellent transmission range, advanced GPS functions, long flight duration, beginner-friendly controls, stable gimbal and EIS system. Cons: video compression could be better, battery recharge time is long, struggle slightly in strong winds. Number 3. Bwine F7GB2 Pro Drone. This drone offers 4K UHD video, a 3-axis gimbal, up to 10,000 feet of control range, and 75 minutes of flight time using 3 included batteries. It supports GPS follow, waypoint planning, orbit mode, and automatic return to home. The F7GB2 Pro is built for users who want reliability and steady aerial footage. With multiple batteries included and a strong gimbal system, it's perfect for long sessions and professional-style content. Pros: includes 3 batteries, long 75-minute total flight time, strong control range, stable video with 3-axis gimbal, multiple smart flight modes. Cons: bulkier than ultralight drones, requires FAA registration, slower charging time. Number 4. Potensic ATOM 4K Drone. The ATOM offers a 3-axis gimbal, 4K 30fps video, 12-megapixel photos, 32 minutes of flight time, and a 6-kilometer transmission range. It weighs under 249 grams and includes features like visual tracking, QuickShots, and GPS flight positioning. This drone is excellent for travel and casual aerial photography. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to pack. The gimbal stabilization and intelligent shooting modes make it easy to capture smooth, cinematic clips. Pros: lightweight and portable, strong video stabilization, good range for its size, visual tracking included, beginner-friendly. Cons: shorter flight time compared to others, low light performance is average, some shooting modes drain the battery quickly. Number 5. Bwine F7MINI Updated Version. This updated version of the Bwine F7MINI includes the same 4K video, 8K photos, a 3-axis gimbal with EIS weight under 249 grams, and 96 minutes of flight time. It has over 6 kilometers of transmission distance and AI-powered GPS features, including follow mode, waypoint, orbit fly, and auto return. The updated F7 Mini improves stability and smart flight accuracy. It remains one of the best beginner-friendly drones with advanced camera stabilization and intelligent features. Pros: strong camera performance, lightweight and FAA-exempt, long flight time, AI-powered GPS modes, excellent transmission distance. Cons: similar to previous version, limited improvement in video compression, still not ideal in high winds. These were the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you want a lightweight travel drone, a long-range FPV flyer, or a stable gimbal-equipped model for aerial content creation, there is an option here for every type of user. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.